I am so excited to be spending this time with you on Wednesdays. Thank you for your friendship and your kindness and for trusting us with your shopping. Now, when it comes to trusting the tabletop, beauty, and function, we turn to Temp-tations. This is a set of 4 nestable glass storage sets with bamboo lids. But oh, wait a minute. Not only is that, let me get something, glass that is oven safe, it is also a beautiful bamboo lid with a silicone seal that will clamp down and keep it perfectly sealed, but also can be used as a trivet. Oh, that's what we love Temp-tations for. They always innovate and keep it beautiful and keep it versatile. Guess what else? You're getting 4 of them, and they're showcased beautifully right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're getting 4 of them in that little stacker. This one, 41 ounces, this one is 32 ounces, this one is 21 ounces, and this one is 13 ounces. They all come with that bamboo lid with the silicone seal. It's the first day that they're being presented at this lower price. Oh, they are $29.16. They're also on reduced shipping and handling, thank you very much, and they're on 3 easy payments of $9.72. So you get 4 glass containers from Temp-tations in some of their most popular color choices. This is blue, 1,200 to go around there. Next, we have them in red, fewer than 1,000. Then we have them in, I believe that is the gray, 1,800 in the gray. Beautiful shot, thank you. Then at the very end, we have them in the black. 500 to go around there. Perfect, perfect. Now it's time to organize. It's also time to talk to Tara Tesher. That's a lot of T's. She is the CEO and founder of Temp-tations, some more T's. But Tara, when it comes to the glass, I love the glass from Temp-tations because it is so versatile, but it is so good to see you. Happy New Year, love.
Ah, Happy New Year, my friend. Yes, it is all about versatility. Our whole brand is about versatility.
That's right.
And what I love about the glass is that everything that you've loved with the stoneware, the fact that it can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, it can go in the microwave, you can put it in the dishwasher, the fridge, and the freezer, still applies to our glass. And that's what I loved about it. So you have that great way to get things out of the boxes, to store them, to keep them fresher longer because of that silicone seal. And the way I designed these, those bamboo lids actually have a little well for the glass to go and sit right inside. So not only are you prepping and cooking, but you're also bringing them right to the table and serving from them as well.
It's so good. I'm showcasing now just what Tara told you. See that well down on the inside? I just took these veggies that may have been steaming in the microwave right out, and voila! Fits in there beautifully. And Tara, we're getting 4 different sizes. So yes, I can put them in the oven, I can put them in the microwave, they're freezer safe and beyond, but I could actually use these as beautiful storage all over the home too.
And that's what I love about it, right? 13 total cups, the largest one being 5, the next one being 4, then you have a 2.5, and the smallest one is 1.5. So for me, I've been working more from home, obviously, and my office, I've been using them to kind of get organized, right? I love what MC was saying in the Cupco. Same thing with our glass storage. Yes, perfect to bake in. I have brown sugar, flour, all of the different things that I want to get out of that cardboard and keep fresher longer. But then I can use it in the powder room if I wanted to, and put, you know, cotton balls in here, or I can do in my office where I have my little sticky notes and my paper clips and all of those things that we need to get organized. So think about Temp-tations not only from a great way to bake and make a 4-layer cake, just showing off now, but also being able to use it around the house as well.
I mean, you just had that extra time to make that 4-layer.
And the fondant, which, you know, my skills are endless.
Which I carry fondant with me everywhere. You know what, take a look. I want to remind you of the color choices because it is the first day that we're presenting this set at this lower price. We do have all 4 in the blue. Each one has that beautiful silicone sealed bamboo lid. Next color choice that we have for you is red. Red is most popular right now. Yes, these are dishwasher safe, and you can just give the lids a little hand wipe, that's fine. Then we have them available for you in gray. I love everything gray and taupe from Temp-tations. Obviously, that one had a little flower in it. And then Over at the very end of the table, we have them available in black. They're $29.16 for all 4 of the glass vessels and the bamboo lids. But it's not just for refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe to 500 degrees. What about snack time? You know, a lot of us, Tara, this time of year do portions. And so this would be a great way with those specific ounce sizes, those specific cup sizes to portion control.
You're absolutely right. And it looks so beautiful when you do it, right? Because a lot of times, what do? We put it in like paper, or we put it in, you know, just whatever we have around. This is just that nice way of having not only everything organized, but for everybody to see it. And that's what was so important about the glass, right? When we're thinking about storage, our Keurig that we have there, we do like a little, you know, kind of like barista station where you can have your sugar, you can have your pods there, and it just makes it organized and simple, right? Isn't that what January is all about? We're kind of like moving into the new year, and with our resolutions of getting more organized and knowing where things are.
Yeah, well,
that's a big deal for me.
Knowing where things are is the big deal. You know what? I want to bring everybody over and just remind you that we showed you the color choices down in front. There is also a green that's available. It is up top on our table. So folks who are savvy shoppers found that on QVC.com. Thank you for reminding us. Because each size, Tara, again, can we start at the smallest and build to the biggest of the sizes that we're getting?
Absolutely. And I actually have them in front of me, or we can do it with you, Mary,
sure,
whatever's
excellent.
easier.
Hit it.
So hit it, take it away. The smallest one is going to be your 1.5 cup. Your next size down is going to be your 2.5 cup. Then we have your 4 cup, and then the largest one is your 15 cup. So you have, your 5 cups. So you have 13 cups total. So 5, 4, 2.5, 1.5. And I love all the versatility of the sizes, because whether you're storing, you know, flour or something as small as what you were saying, kind of that portion control, that snack size, you have the versatility of having all 4 pieces, all 4 different sizes.
Perfection. We're loving that new lower price. Tara, thank you so much for being here this morning. Nice to see you on In the Kitchen with Mary.
Always a pleasure to be here, my friend. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too. Love you. You know what? Bye for now. You know what? It's time to put our hands together and dive into the gadget drawer. What do you say? Let's talk about something brand new at QVC and talk about that drawer where we always reach for things to work out perfectly. When it comes to